Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Vegas Mini Mansion. So today I made a big mess. I had to replace these flowers and these planters here. So I made a big mess, and I highly recommend when you do replace your flowers and plants in your planter, have like a box right here so you can put the excess dirt. But even with that box, I was still able to make a mess, obviously. But yeah, I can do the old school way of getting a broom and dustpan, but it just takes too much time and it's just too time consuming. So I'm going to show you well, it's not really a new way, but a lot of people don't do it this way. This is a rigid, dry and wet vacuum. So I got the 16 gallon, so it can hold a lot of debris. But this is the secret, guys, to cleaning your patio real fast. And of course, it can get up all these leaves on this mat here. I'm gonna show you how fast it is, so you guys don't have to spend too much time cleaning. You just get right onto it. So here we go, and we're gonna turn it on. nice and clean. I was able to do it within 4 minutes. And nice and clean. That's the secret on how to clean your patio real fast without a broom. But yeah, there you go, guys. I'm gonna put a link in the description so you guys can find this vacuum. I'll post the big one, the one that I have, and then a smaller one, so you guys can check it out. So there you go.